What is the meaning of the word correction? As a noun, the act of offering an improvement to replace a mistake. Setting right, a quantity that is added or subtracted in order to increase the accuracy of a scientific measure. Something substituted for an error. A rebuke for making a mistake. A drop in stock market activity or stock prices following a period of increases. Treatment of a specific defect. Examples of use: market run-ups are invariably followed by a correction. The correction of his vision with eyeglasses. Correction is spelled C-O-R-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Correction